One bullish Sun token cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 2 cents and 5 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept Sun could reach 2 cents by 2025. Bearish Sun token market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Sun token presentation. At the determination of this assessment, a reasonable image of what's on the horizon as far as how excessive costs will go will become clear. You will likewise find out about Sun's future. A cryptographic money is before long going to acquire prominence as a significant resource, and we'll be checking out at the Sun token value forecast. Is Sun a wise speculation? Is one of the usually asked issues that we will endeavor to address. What Sun will be esteemed in 5 to a decade. Foreseeing future valuing and assessing value varieties are truly challenging undertakings. We'll be taking a gander at the typical cost, least cost esteem, greatest cost, Sun cost conjecture, most extreme worth, long-haul cost forecast, greatest stockpile, and the market cap in view of our own exploration. What is Sun token? The digital money of the sun.io decentralized finance network that has been redenominated is called Sun token. Sun.io pursued the choice in May 2021 to extend the quantity of Sun tokens accessible from 19.9 million to 19.9 billion, moving Sun at a 110 proportion to holders of the first Sun. The market capitalization didn't change. A stablecoin-centered decentralized trade named SunSwap, along with related liquidity pools and cultivating choices for proprietors of Sun tokens, make up sun.io's DEFI stage. DEFI Llama guarantees that starting around the 8th of June 2022, sun.io has $820.20 in complete worth frozen. Old 2 Pool LP, an exchanging pair between Sun token and Tron's USDD stablecoin, is the greatest liquidity pool on the organization, holding more than $437 million. The biggest decentralized application on the Tron network as far as exchange volume is SunSwap. SunSwap has the most dynamic clients of any Tron-based DApp, with 75,710 special month-to-month wallet addresses, extraordinarily above Travel Trade's 12,510 dynamic clients and just Lend's 6,400 dynamic clients. Clients get VESUN administration tokens in return for securing Sun coins. These give holders the choice to conclude how every liquidity pool is weighted. Every liquidity pool's portion of remunerations, which are gotten from half of all exchange costs on the Sun.io DEFI stage, is weighted. Longer lockup periods bring about additional prizes in casting a ballot power. They range from a half year to 4 years. Tron, USDD, Sun token, TRX, and TAI USD, Sun token are 3 other critical liquidity pools. Sun current cost. Sun token is at present worth $0. Sun has moved 1.65% as of now with an exchanging volume of $10,125,333. Sun token is at present positioned 368 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $53,418,617 USD. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Sun token market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Sun token value forecast 2023. Sun token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Sun cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Sun is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Sun token value forecast 2024. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Sun will before long outperform 1 cent. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the Sun's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Sun will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 1 cent and a typical exchanging cost of 1 cent. Sun token value expectation 2025. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Sun is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 1 cent and a low of 1 cent in 2025. Sun token value forecast 2026. In the event that Sun token effectively helps market opinion among digital money fans, the Sun coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Sun will be green in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 2 cents, with a base cost of 2 cents and a typical cost of 2 cents. Sun token value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Sun cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 3 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 2 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Sun has a greatest value worth of 3 cents. Sun token value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 3 cents. On the off chance that Sun figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 3 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Sun needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 3 cents. Sun token value forecast 2029. While Sun is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 4 cents and a yearly cost close above 4 cents in 2029. Sun token value forecast 2030. By 2030, Sun token will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 4 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 5 cents, averaging out at 4 cents. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Sun cost in 2031 is projected to be 5 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 5 cents. You ought to do a careful survey of the undertaking and search out fair monetary direction prior to coming to your own decision. Never put away more cash than you can bear to lose, assuming you really do make a speculation. And, since its introduction, Sun has totally changed various ventures. The coin has gotten endorsement from a few controllers, and a gathering of specific designers is endeavoring to advance it and expand use. This archive fills in as Sun's inner appraisal of its past exhibition and possibilities for future development. For now, that is all there is to it. While trying to help you in any capacity we can, we every now and again add new material to our site. What is the Sun token cost today? Today, Sun token is exchanging at $0 an all-out market capitalization of $53,418,617. Is Sun token a wise venture? Sun token ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. How high can Sun token go? The typical cost of Sun token might conceivably reach $0 a year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Sun token might outperform 3 cents. What amount will Sun token be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising prominence of digital currency and Sun token, a drawn-out interest in Sun could see the value ascend to 3 cents inside the following 5 years.